Hey guys, welcome back to Real Wood and welcome to 30A. Today we're going to spend a little bit of time checking out a beautiful house here in Heritage Dunes, designed by Burwell Associates and built by Grand Bay Constructions, one of our awesome customers. So we've got a litany of products here to discuss with you and just want to highlight this house and the area. Let's go check it out. So first off, I want to welcome you to 30A, and what better place to do it than up in the 4th floor of this beautiful house, looking through this amazing Eurowall window system that we have here. And we'll actually give it a quick open here just so that you guys can really see it in action and see this area. So 30A is up in the Florida Panhandle and is really a hidden gem, although it's no longer hidden at this point. But you can see once we get this window open why people are flocking to this area. You've got an amazing, amazing view of the Gulf here. Really, really nice climate, beautiful trees. You just feel like you're secluded, but still right in the middle of things here. And pretty awesome to look out, see all these rooftops. And most of the rooftops you see, EF San Juan has played some part in making those houses, and just really makes you appreciate this amazing area that we get to work in and live near. So absolutely gorgeous. So in this house, we provided a ton of the trim and interior moldings, millwork, exterior windows and doors, really provided a lot of the products here. But what you'll see in the molding package here in this house is a beautiful blend of traditional and contemporary architecture. We've got this nice molding profile here. It's a beautiful casing. We've got this window, stool, and apron that ties it all together, gives it a really nice homey feel, and installed with this center match paneling just really gives it an amazing look. All right, that's the tower. As we come down into level 3, you can't help but notice this beautiful handrail that we provided. This design is really an amazing one. These beautiful balusters and that huge newel just really brings a nice touch of traditional architecture into this house, and man, it is gorgeous and quite an amazing feature. And if you check out over here, we've actually got some of our pre-hung interior doors. These are a true style product that we're hanging, and you can see these come pre-hung, all the gaps set so that everything closes extremely nicely, works well. These handle sets and everything are provided by us, so very cool to see installed on site. Beautiful doors and a really nice finish to this house. And that's it for level 3. In the next episode of Real Wood, I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite rooms in the house on level 2. I'll see you there. If you're enjoying these episodes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment and let us know things that you'd like to learn about, things you'd like to see. We want these to be something that people enjoy watching, so please share with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.